A little conversation that I recall was so fantastic, and I had this conversation with a lady whom I love and I appreciate, admire most. And I asked her when I was sitting with her, what do you do when you are stuck in certain situation and they are your responsibility, and you just want the quick result so that you are free from that responsibility? And then she said, well, I never chase anything. I never use anything, and I feel I'm grateful whatever I have. So I said, still, but you're in process of doing something and you want the quick result. What technique do you use? And then she says the wonderful line which I really feel so true. She said, when you chase something, you get one thing, you lose on the other thing. And it put me into a silence, and I started thinking for a second. And then these days, like, I am so much intrigued into my study. I love the career that I am pursuing. I love the studies that I am doing, and it keeps me happy. But at the same time, when I connect that conversation, I feel that I was enjoying before the nothingness. I was singing, I was going out, I was meeting often to people, which is reduced, has come to a zero level. So, this is so true that you get one thing, but you also lose on the other thing. It's not that I am not happy what I'm thinking, it's an analysis that you have to do, that what you choose that or you choose this. And so I leave you with this analysis, that that is so true, that you get one and that you, and then you lose the other thing. That is also the part of the study of balance perspective, that there is nothing in the world comes without um, losing something, you can say, without sacrificing something. So these studies are thoroughly connected, and I'm getting that what is happening in the life actually. Thank you so much.